So today's question, we need to look at physics. Now look at that question. We are being told that the radius of the sun is 6.96 times 10 power 8, and its luminosity is 3.83 times 10 power 26. The orbital radius of the earth is 1.5 times 10 power 11. There's 11 here. Calculate the radiant flux intensity at the surface of the sun and the position of the earth. So this question here, usually it is in A levels and advanced level. So we need to look at how can we calculate the luminosity. How can we calculate the radiant flux of the surface of the sun? So the first thing we need to do here, we need to calculate the radiant intensity at the sun's surface. Okay, let us start from the radiant intensity. Radiant flux intensity at the sun's surface. The sun's surface. Now for us to calculate that one, we know so that the flux is equal to luminosity over 4 pi d squared. I explained about this one in my previous lesson, so you can watch on it, my previous video. So at this point here, we know so that the luminosity we are given is that is 3.83 times 10 power 26 over 4 times pi times the diameter. We are given the radius of that one. Now the radius of it is 6.96 times 10 power 8. D here represents the diameter squared. Okay, so the next step we need to do is now for us to multiply it, whereby you need to multiply that one. Now we have 3.83 times 10 power 26 over 9 times 4, it will be that is 4 times pi times into bracket 6.96 times 10 power 8 squared. Okay, it will be 6.087 times 10 power 18. So here it will be 6.087 times 10 power 18. So the next step we are going to do here is now we need to divide. We need to take, that is 3.83 times 10 power 26 divided by the answer. We get to be 62,917,351.21. So our answer it will be 6.29 times 10 power 7. So that is the radiant flux intensity at the sun's surface. So the next one you need to look at is radiant flux intensity at the Earth's surface. At the surface. So at this point here, we use the same formula to calculate it, and we have another method, but let me use the same formula to save time. So it will be the radiant flux is equals to luminosity over 4 pi d squared. Okay, whereby now it will be luminosity, it is the same, 3.83 times 10 power 26 over 4 times pi times the radius of the Earth. We were given that is 1.5 times 10 power 11 squared. So take my calculator first, and then I need to calculate it. 3.83 times 10 power 26 over 4 times pi times into bracket. Remember it is 1.5 times 10 power 11 squared. Okay, you get this 2.83 times 10 power 23. That is 2.83 times 10 power 23. So and this one, now the answer it will be what? Because now divide with it. That is now 3.83 times 10 power 26 divided by 2.83 times 10 power 23. Yeah, we get this 1353.35689. So the answer here it will be 1.35 times 10 power 3. Okay, now when we multiply that one, that is the answer for the radiant flux intensity at the Earth's surface. This is the formula to calculate it. Don't forget to use that formula so that you can pass in your exams. Have a nice time, and don't forget to subscribe. At least share with your friends also to learn. Have a nice time.